Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to the Weather 3D Modeler. In this video, we're gonna make a new complete series and a very cute character. I guess you know what character it is. It is a Stumble Guys, the main character. So we will make this right now. First of all, we will copy the body from the Bobby's Pizza that we made in the Pizza Spicy game. Go check out that video to make it. And I will take its body and then I will start aligning the shape according to the reference. Just like that. First of all, I will move it a little down from the thighs and groin part, and then I will line up by scaling the legs and to the feet. Lining up may take some time, but it is very necessary to do it. Then we will get the shape we want. Move the legs outwards to make it a little wide. It is a wide character, so not fat but not thin. We have to make the arms as well, arms big as well. Move the armpits a little down. Scale the main body piece a little, yes, like this. And now extrude out the arms and make it just like this. Extrude it one more time or add a loop cut to make the hands like this. We don't need any fingers, so it's easy to make from like that. Now make a little neck and then make the shape of the head like this and move it up just like this. Now look from side view and then set it from side. Remember to line up correctly, then we will get the shape we want and something more interesting. Remember to make it a little fat but not too fat enough. Yes, just set it from front and from the back side as well. We have to maintain the body from all sides and scale the feet on the x-axis. Now shape is looking much better. And now scale, convert them to circle. The arms as well. Once everything line up, save your work, and now we can move on to the clothing part. But first name the material and color it as this what it is. Okay, then duplicate the piece of the shirt from the base body. Then give it some thickness by extruding it. Now delete the upper loop and move them a little down to make the collar a little wide from the neck. Like this. Now color the shirt a little orange by Smart UV project and then set the UV in the color you want. And now do the same thing to the pants as well. Duplicate them, extrude them all and then scale it individually. Just like this. Give it some thickness, but first make some extrude from the bottom and make the foldings from the feet like that, and then make the shape like this. And now we have to make the feet, or maybe we can say that shoes. Select this loop and then V2, split it, fill it and extrude or insert it just one more time. Move it down, make it like that. We don't need any multiple mesh inside or any outside. Okay, now color the shoes and the pants blue and brown. Now shoes are looking good. Now color the pants as well. Select the UV and place it in the required color. And color the foldings a little lighter than the default. Yes, like this. And move them to the light color like that. Now we have to make the cap of the of this character. Duplicate the top head loop and then give it some thickness as well. Scale it 0 and then place it, scale it correctly, just like that. Now look from inside, then Alt S to scale it inwards to be fit on the shape, on the head. Now make the shape like that and then select the top face and then scale it to make the top button of the cap. Increase the edges, then scale the bottom face, move it a little down, or move the cap face a little up. Now we have to extrude it from the front side like this face. Move this edge up and then extrude it. Add loop cut if you want, but if it looks good, and give the result you want. And then extrude it again, move it back, select it, make it smaller and set the shape. That's the main thing. Then we will color it green. Just like I said, color it green, and now it is looking good. The last thing we need is to make the eyes. So select a vertex from the side of the face, then duplicate it, extrude it up and extrude it side. Move it on the face, place it correctly, add a loop cut and then scale it, give it some thickness, move it back just like this, and move the picture a little to the side and make it, scale it and adjust it as it is in the original. Move it a little back, then we are done. Save your work and then render it and name everything like shirt, pant, tab, shoes and the body. Now adjust everything if you want, and the collar as well, and make it a little thin. We don't need it that fat much enough, but keep it and maintain the shape. Okay, then select this loop, move it down and then bridge the loops like this, and then UV it again and color it orange as it was before. Okay, then save your work, render the image, and I'll see you guys in the next video with some new character, with a new Stumble Guys character. Follow me to create more fun stuff like this, and like, share, subscribe to my channel, and yeah, this is the final result. Yes, this is the final render. Yes, this one. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Allah Hafiz.